AOL LC8 series is a new generation of cutting equipment, engineered to meet the highest international standards. LC8 delivers ultra-high speed, exceptional precision, and superior operational stability, designed for industrial-scale production requiring efficiency and reliability. High-strength integrated steel frame effectively suppresses vibration and displacement during high-speed cutting. Equipped with a graded silent enclosure system, noise level reduced to as low as 65 decibels under energy-saving mode. Optimized vacuum airflow structure combined with imported aviation-grade aluminum table surface ensures flatter absorption. Intelligent zone vacuum control improves efficiency while reducing energy use. Beam internal reinforcement increases overall strength by 30%. Machine passes 12 million fatigue bending tests, ensuring long-term industrial durability. Optimized electrical layout, easier maintenance, simplified operation, multiple height combination, configurable cutting heads for different industries. AOL LC8 is widely used in composite materials, printing, packaging, textile, apparel, leather upholstery, and other industries, making it the ideal solution for industrial mass production.